Here's a simple step-by-step guide to change your Amazon password safely in 2026. Open your browser and go to amazon.com. Sign in using your current email and password. Once logged in, hover over Account and Lists at the top right, then click Account. This takes you to your main account management page. On the account page, click Login and Security. Here, all your personal security settings are stored. Next to the password section, click Edit. Amazon will ask you to re-enter your current password for security. Once verified, you can type in your new password. When choosing a new password, avoid using your name, your birthday, previous passwords, common words. Instead, create a strong combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, special characters. For extra safety, avoid reusing a password from any other website. After entering your new password twice, click Save Changes. Your password is now updated. But don't stop here. Go back to your account dashboard and review devices logged into your Amazon account. Removing unknown devices ensures no one else keeps access. For maximum protection, turn on two-step verification. Every time someone attempts to log in, Amazon will send you a security code. This prevents unauthorized access, even if someone knows your password. And that's it. Your Amazon password is safely updated and your account is protected.